All right, getting you back to updates coming in right now, viewers. A plea has been filed before the Supreme Court seeking cancellation of the India-Pakistan cricket match, which has been scheduled for March 14 under the Asia Cup. And in fact, 4 petitioners have argued that India playing the cricket match with Pakistan in the aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack and Operation Sindoor is against national interest and belittles the sacrifices of armed forces as well as the citizens who lost their lives in the attack. So this is what we see, viewers. What we see right now is a huge update coming in, especially 4 law students have filed a PIL in the Supreme Court seeking cancellation of the India-Pakistan cricket match. And one of them is joining us right now. Joining me right now, we have with us Mr. Ansar Ahmed Chaudhary, who is one of the petitioners as well. And I want to go across to you, Mr. Ansar, who you're also a petitioner. And there's so many pleas which have already been put up before the court. But one thing I really want to ask you is, why do you want the India-Pakistan match to be cancelled? We understand that the petitioners are saying that it's because it undermines the sacrifices of our soldiers, of our brave soldiers who laid down their lives during Operation Sindoor and after the Pahalgam attack.
Yeah, this is not the first time. Since very long time, the attitude of the Pakistan is very hostile to us. They are killing us. They are killing our people. They are killing our brave soldiers. And the Operation Sindoor is still on. It has not been over. But what is the urgency and what is the behind it that we are going to play cricket with the Pakistan?
Yes. All right. Mr. Chaudhary, I also want to ask you that you have said that the BCCI should come under the control of the government. Why do you say that? Have you written to the BCCI specifically? Have you exhausted the initial legal options before filing the plea?
Yes, options have been taken, but the government says that BCCI is not our control. It is an independent body. That's why this plea has been taken, that it should be under the government control because it has the international reputation.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And also, before, the same question, that before you have exhausted all remedies before approaching the court. Have you written to the Ministry of Sports, and this is the last stage for you. Is that right?
Yes. This is the last option, and moreover, the important is that the match is going to be played on Sunday.
Right. Okay.
So there is no option. Tomorrow is the last working day of the Supreme Court before playing the match. Because on Saturday and Sunday, there will not be any court sitting.
All right. Okay. And also, I'm sure you have some expectations from the apex court as well. Like there's a PIL that the Supreme Court will be hearing on this. What expectations do you have? Because we understand that you would be hoping for some new regulations, and your plea says complete government absorption of the BCCI. So you have, of course, hopes from the apex court. If you could just share that with our viewers.
Yes, we are having full hope from this honorable court. They understand the sentiments of the people of India, and they will certainly do something. We are having full hope from the Honorable Supreme Court.
Right.
They understand the sentiments of the people of India.
Right.
We have not come over still. We have not come over from the killings of our people by the Pakistan.
Right. Okay. Okay. And before we thank you, just any last message that you want to give, because when even on Republic we had spoken about the fact that our profits more important than people, and we had also done extensive stories on the same issue that you have raised, that this is not the right time for India-Pakistan clash till Pakistan assures India that they will not sponsor terror. And this is something India has made very clear.
That's right. Our people, our nation is more important than the cricket. That's all. Our nation and our people, our brave soldiers are more important than the cricket.
All right. Okay. Okay, thank you for joining us, Mr. Ansar Ahmed Chaudhary, petitioner, because a PIL has been filed before the Supreme Court on the India